Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cutout style text effect on CapCut PC. You do have to do this like one by one, by the way, so I'm just going to type in the word sweet, but I have to like do this one by one. So I'm just going to go like and type in an S, and then I'm going to add in like a background. Then I'm going to change the color to this maybe. And you can also adjust the height and the width of the background. And then you're just going to copy and paste that. And then, going to type in a W for instance. And then change like the color of the background here. Where is that? Oops. Okay, maybe like make it like that, and like you can like rotate it if you'd like to, then copy and paste that, and then add like an E, then again change the color. If you want this to be behind, just like put this down there. There you go. Oops. Copy and paste that as well. Then I'm going to change the color of it to like this like blue. Just copy and paste it one more time for the T. And then I'm going to change the color of that as well to like maybe like this green, or I'm trying to like figure out colors here. Maybe like this yellow. Then I'm going to like move it to the left a little. Then if you want to, you can also add in like a texture as well. And add in some stickers later on top if you'd like to. Like maybe this. Select everything, right click, create compound clip, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. You can add in an animation as well if you'd like to. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!